In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this error code on Steam, which says error code 130, failed to load web page unknown error. So I will guide you on how to fix this issue. It is very easy to fix. So follow this tutorial very carefully. How to fix Steam error code 130, failed to load web page with unknown error, as you see it here. Step 1, check your proxy settings. So you may have misconfigured your proxy settings. To reset your proxy settings to default on a Windows PC, first exit Steam. So first you need to exit Steam. You can just come here to the hidden icons here and tap, right click and tap exit Steam. So just exit Steam and then come it here and you can follow the steps. After exiting Steam, just follow the steps as I'm showing it to you. Method 1, use the settings. So open the setting window, just press Windows and I to open the setting bar. Just press Window and I and the setting bar will open. Now click to network and internet. Now you'll see the option which is proxy settings here on the left. Select proxy. Now you'll see the place where there is manual proxy setup. Now just ensure to uncheck this. If you have checked this, turn it off. So make sure you turn it off and save. So just turn it off here. Mine is on because I'm using these proxies, but just ensure you turn them off and save. Also, you can check if you have any misconfigured proxy settings. Make sure you set it as default as it is shown here. So make sure you set automatically detect settings, and also make sure you turn off use a proxy server. So make sure you turn off use a proxy server. After turning it off, try to launch Steam and see if it has fixed your problem. So just turn off your proxy server, just turn it off and try to relaunch Steam to see if you're still facing the same problem. If you do so, but you're still facing the error code 130, which is here, failed to load web page, now just go to the second step, which is use public DNS. So public DNS, there is Google public DNS and Cloudflare DNS. So you can use either of the two, but I recommend using Google which is Google public DNS. So to use the public DNS, just open your settings, which is Windows plus I. Just press Windows plus I and the setting bar will open. Now select network and internet, and then you'll see the option which is change adapter options. So select change adapter option. Now select your network which you are using. Since I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'll select Wi-Fi. If you're using Ethernet, select Ethernet, but I'm using Wi-Fi, so select Wi-Fi and select, right click on Wi-Fi and select properties. Now select internet protocol version 4, TCP or IPv4. So select on it and go to properties. Now you'll see the option to use the following DNS server. So just right click on it and use the DNS server. So the preferred DNS server, it is provided here, which is a primary. You just copy it here and go to your settings and paste it here. So this will be your primary DNS server, so which is 8, I don't want to copy it, which is 888, which is 48. So your primary DNS will be 8 8 8 8, and here you type, which is your alternative DNS server, which is 8 8 4 4. After this, click OK to save changes and you'll be able to use the Google public DNS. After using the Google public DNS, try to launch Steam to see if it can help you fix the problem. So these are the best fixes for Steam error code 130. Make sure you follow these steps very carefully, but in most cases it is check your proxy settings. So try to reset your proxy settings to default, which just press Windows and I. Just close your settings and select Windows and I. Go to network and internet and go to proxy. Now make sure you turn off use a proxy server and try to relaunch Steam to see if it can help fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.